Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I pick out some candy?
Tricky. You say tricky. Because you said trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Can I take as many as I like?
As many. All of them for you. All of them for you.
Wow.
Because you were a good fairy. Have you been a good fairy the whole year? That's great.
They gave me all my candy.
What is your name?
Italia.
Italia? Hi, fairy Italia.
Hello.
Hello. Can you please pose for a video? Next to the door, please. Finish your bucket. Fill up your bucket. Finish to fill up your bucket. Everything in there.
There's something hanging
What
on
is
it,
this?
too.
Okay. Here, everything in your bucket. Everything. Okay. Can you give me a
Awesome!
ooh. Right there. Oh, can you show us your wings? Beautiful wings. Can you turn around, please? Wow.
I'm just kidding! It's my grandma behind the scenes!
Ooh.
I didn't actually take all her candy. This is just my house.
Can you turn off the light? Let's see what's the
Finger.
difference? Can we see the difference with no light?
Yeah.
Let me see. I don't know. We have flash. I don't know about that.
This is all my candy that I gave to the grandma.
Huh? Oh.
I think I have 100. One,
Candy heaven.
2, 3,
Candy heaven.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Hey, little friend, I have a question for you. Have you checked out your candies to make sure they safe?
100.
Mama, did you check it out your candies to make sure they're safe? Are they?
kept them all
Are
over
all
them.
of them very well closed? Okay. Are all of them very well sealed? Very well. Well, they pass the checkout. They pass they pass the test. They pass the safety test. Thank you, Talia.